Welcome to teacherjathailand.genomeo.com. First course you will learn about legal property. After learning, you will have 3 competencies. Demonstrate knowledge of the legal property. Distinguish the types of property according to the law. And make the basic contract correctly. Start joining. First course have 3 topics. The first topic, you will learn types of legal property. Start watching video. And taking quiz, which upload in Google Form, like this. The second topic, you will learn about types of wills. Watching video. And taking quiz. The third topic, you will learn how to write your loan will. Watching video. Do the project work. That upload on Google Drive. And taking the last quiz. Thank you for your suggestion, CPSC and all lecturer.